going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right now we're in the Land Rover that I just picked up a couple weeks ago on our maiden voyage up to our condo up north here. Some pretty smooth sailing so far. My steering is a little dead in the middle, but I've been driving around it no problem, doing about 80 on the freeway. Totally fine. We just got off our exit, so we're pretty far up north already, about 200 or so miles, and should be a great weekend.
What's up, guys? It's Roy. I have low blood sugar right now, so I'm like super dizzy, but we're almost to the condo, and I think wine has sugar in it, so I should be okay in like an hour.
We made it. Sick.
Wait forever, so just hear me out. It is not like I don't want you, just scared to try. Even if the odds are in my favor, I just need more time. So if you wait just a little bit longer, I will treat you right. Treat you right, yeah. Seems like I'm still on my knees.
Out here taking some photos of the Rover. Golfed yesterday. Had a fun night. We're in this really cool forest area. Got Ryan.
Also known as a ravine.
Yeah, but big canyon there. This road actually goes all the way up to some cabins on the side of the ski mountain. And yeah, so a little dirty. Got water all over it. Stormed last night, but I don't know. Cool pictures are fun, so we're doing that. So the Rover's been doing well. Do you have a little check engine? I think it's an O2 sensor, but we're just cruising around, getting some photos and enjoying this beautiful weather. I don't know, Ryan, what do you think?
Pretty nice day outside.
Is this helping your recovery?
It is.
That's good. Long night last night. That's gonna be it for this video. I got back yesterday evening, went to work today, long Mondays. The Rover did just fine. I've put about 750 to 800 miles on it since I've owned it in the 2 weeks I've had it. I guess it's been 2 weeks, yeah. And the whole wheel setup did great, no problems the whole trip. We did a little bit of off-roading on some seasonal roads. I'm still waiting for my off-road vehicle tags to show up. When they do, then I can start adventuring a bit more. I'm gonna be adding more gear and all of that goodness. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're liking the content. There's plenty more coming. I appreciate all of you so much. Hit that thumbs up down there. That gives me a little boost through the YouTube algorithm. Drop some comments down below. Do you guys go adventuring? Do you have camping rigs, off-road rigs? What are you into? Give me some tips. What should I be looking into? That kind of stuff. Just get it going down there, fire it up, and I'll be sure to answer any questions or comments that you guys post down there so we can have a good time. That's all for today. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week and or month and or year. I don't know. It's 2020. But I'll see you guys next time.
Let me